Hey everyone, if you're facing a server connection error in Rainbow Six Siege on Windows 11, don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to fix it. This method is quick, easy, and works for most users. Let's get started. First, click on the search bar, type cmd, and run it as administrator. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flush DNS, hit enter. Next, type netshishwinsock reset. Press enter again. The system will ask you to restart your computer, but hold off for now, we've got more steps to cover. Now go to the search bar and type view network connections. Find your active network adapter, double-click on it and go to properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Set the DNS servers to preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save the changes. Step 3. Create a firewall rule. Search for Windows Defender Firewall and click on it. Then go to Advanced Settings and select Inbound Rules. Click New Rule, choose Port and hit Next. Enter this range, 49, 152 to 65, 535. Click Next 3 times. Name the rule something like R6 connection fix and finish the setup. Finally, search for Network Reset in the search bar. Open it and click Reset Now. Confirm the action and your network will reset. Once you've completed all these steps, restart your computer and your Rainbow Six Siege connection issues should be resolved. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.